Hello everybody, this is Battle Axe. These are silly shells, and this is a firing demonstration of Battle Axe. Battle Axe is a pump-action Nerf shotgun, which uses silly shells, which are these. These are 3D printed, as well as the blaster, and these hold multiple darts, which allow you to fire multiple darts at once per shot, and it allows you to use different types of ammo in the same blaster. This is Mega. Got Mega XL here. 3X Elite, like that. Got rival balls. Tons of different ammo. If you want more information on the shells, I have different videos on my channel for that. This is just a firing demonstration of the blaster itself, of Battle Axe. So, in order to prime this blaster, you pull this back down here, and then in order to load it, we're going to tuck it under our armpit like that, and we're going to choose some shells. This magazine in particular holds 7 shells. So this is 3X Elite darts. Actually, these aren't Elite darts. These are these are Dart Zone Nitro Shot full-length darts. Anyway, Elite dart shell. Let's do 2 of those. Let's do 4 half darts in a 2X Elite dart shell. Let's do a Mega Dart on top. There we go. Now let's do some more darts. This is 3, I think that these are actually X-Shot full-length darts. More Dart Zone full-lengths. More Dart Zone full-lengths. This is just 2 Dart Zone full-lengths. Let's do a Mega Dart on the top again. There we go. There we go. And then finally, let's do 6 half-length darts, like that. 4 half-length darts. 3 rival balls, a half-length Mega Dart, a half-length Mega XL Dart. Oh, do I have space? Yes, I do. Alright, do I have space in the magazine for more? Oh, yeah. And a full-length Mega XL Dart. There we go. So there you go. That is Battle Axe, pump action Nerf shotgun, which fires multiple shots, or multiple darts per shot, and multiple different types of ammo in one blaster. So, if you want to build one of these, there is a link to my printables page down below in the video description thing. The files are free, so you can 3D print them and make yourself a blaster. You can also buy hardware kits from Out of Darts and Silver Fox Industries for all the metal components that you need to build this, like aluminum bars, all the screws, plunger tube, all that stuff, all the O-rings, everything. So you can get a hardware kit with all the bits that you need, free files, print them, build it, use it, have fun. It's all that you need to do. So, thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel for more content, and I'll see you later. Bye.